Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things I want to remind you about. I want to remind you that this Friday, there's no school. Teachers have school, but not our scholars. Teachers are going to learn. Also, next week is spring break. So March 8th through the 12th is spring break. I hope you have some fun things planned to safely do with your family or friends. Today is Green Day, green or crazy hair day with jeans. Super excited to celebrate Dr. Seuss's birthday week. And tomorrow is Wacky Wednesday. Wear your clothes backwards or mismatch clothes with jeans. Super excited to do that. Remember, if your family wants to pick up curbside meals, it's Monday through Friday, 12 to 2. And then I will remind you tomorrow and Thursday of the other days. So again, all those fourth graders that took the writing mock star, I appreciate all those who really made sure that they annotated and they proved why they chose their answer. So thank you so much for your hard work. I also know that scholars were working hard in reading and in math and science and writing. Nice job, scholars. Keep up the good work. I know we have a whole class of kindergartners that have started actually. They started the first grade program. We also have a whole bunch of second graders that have moved into the third grade program. You guys are rocking it. Keep up the good work. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!